Hello and welcome to Real Health Solutions, empowering you to take back your health naturally using dietary protocols, target foods, target nutritionals, and target botanicals to return the body to a healing balance. Hi, I am Jackie Nelson Walburn. I am your condition-specific nutrition and lifestyle coach. Today's takeaways are going to be simple. Number one, all health starts in the gut. You may not realize at this point that you are actually only 10% human cells. The rest of the 90% are actually your microbiome. So the real question comes into who are you really eating for? Takeaway number two, there are only two things that we can simplify that cause disease. Number one, nutritional deficiencies. Are you getting your 6 to 10 servings of vegetables a day? Good question, huh? Number two is toxins. We are exposed to more than 60,000 toxins that have never been tested to whether they are safe. And so they cause disruption in our microbiome, they cause effects on our health, they disrupt our gut, and they cause all sorts of issues that can lead to our dysfunction or dis-ease. So you can contact me on LinkedIn, Facebook, my website page. Hit the contact button. You can send me your history, tell me what's going on for you, and we can see what we can do to put you back into balance. If you are ready to say that I am sick and tired of being sick and tired, if you don't remember what it feels like to actually feel good, here's your chance. Let me know. Let me help you. And if you want to do it on your own, I have a book. You can go onto Amazon and purchase. Thank you very much.